Ever wondered how this cartoon character could suddenly become giant or tiny without moving a single step? When I created this simulation, I knew the character's name, but now I can't remember. Can you please tell me in the comments? Meanwhile, let's unlock the magic of dilations and see how math can play magician. First of all, in math, dilation means resizing a shape while keeping its proportions exactly the same. Think of it like zooming it or out with the camera. Everything gets bigger or smaller, but the shape remains perfectly similar. This is what happens in dilation. Now, case 1. Let's see. Case 1. I'll make the dilation factor 0.5. First, let's see, this is the original cartoon where length of this segment is 4, right? Now I'll make the dilation factor 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.5. See what happens. This means length of the character will now be half of its original size. The length of the original character is 4. We saw that once. Now it's 2. So 4 when multiplied by 0.5, it becomes 2. Now let's make it 2. Here it is. So length of the original character, the baseline is 4. But when I made the scale factor 2, now it has become 8. So 4 2s are 8. Now when I make it 3, see what happens. It's 4. 4 3s are 12. So whatever is the scale factor, the actual length is multiplied by that. Now if I work with this concept, if the scale factor is 1, right? If the scale factor is 1, the size of both are same. If the scale factor is less than 1, then the figure is smaller than the original figure. If the scale factor is 0, it's almost missing, just a point. If it is negative, it starts becoming inverted, right? Now, if it is 1 or between 0 to 1 and 1 and greater than 1, what is the sequence? If it is between 0 to 1, then it is smaller than the actual figure. If it is 1, it is exactly the same size. If it is greater than 1, then the figure is dilated than the actual figure. And what is the length of the segment? Multiplied by the scale factor. So this is the concept we are going to use in our next questions. So just revise it in a fun way and just tell me the name of the cartoon character.